Why were ad hoc tribunals needed for war crimes? Imagine a world where the worst crimes go unpunished because no one has the tools or authority to hold the guilty accountable. That was the challenge after World War II. Existing national courts often couldn't handle crimes like genocide or crimes against humanity. Countries lacked the legal framework or capacity to prosecute such serious offenses. This created a huge gap in justice. So, the international community decided to create special courts just for these cases. These courts are called ad hoc tribunals, which means they are set up for a specific purpose and time. They were designed to focus only on the crimes committed during particular conflicts. The first examples appeared after World War II with the Nuremberg and Tokyo tribunals. These courts aimed to prosecute leaders of the Axis powers for crimes committed during the war. They set important legal standards by holding individuals responsible, not just states. Later, as conflicts continued around the world, national courts still struggled to handle mass violence. In the 1990s, the United Nations helped create tribunals for the former Yugoslavia and Rwanda. These tribunals, called the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia and the International Criminal Tribunal for Rwanda, were made to investigate and prosecute crimes like genocide, war crimes, and crimes against humanity. They were necessary because local courts often lacked the ability or willingness to act. Ad hoc tribunals serve several key roles. They provide impartial justice when domestic courts cannot. They help develop international law by setting legal standards for crimes. They also deliver some measure of justice to victims and promote accountability. This is vital for healing and rebuilding trust after conflicts. Sometimes, hybrid courts are created, combining international and local law and personnel. These courts aim to strengthen local judicial systems while ensuring international standards are met. Examples include courts in Cambodia, Sierra Leone, and East Timor. Overall, ad hoc tribunals were essential because the scale and brutality of war crimes after World War II and in later conflicts went beyond what national courts could handle. They created a special space for justice, making sure those responsible faced consequences and helping the world move toward a more accountable future.